Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the MVWAP indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, I get people who ask me if I can send them a list of all the winning indicators that we have discovered. If you are interested in receiving a list of all the indicators that we have tested, including the ones that we have discovered, but you are not interested in going back and watching all the videos from the beginning and all the way through to date, then what you can do is you can sign up for our Patreon. If you sign up for the $9 a month Patreon, then I will send you a list of all the indicators that we have tested to date. I also send out a updated list every week of all the indicators that we have tested up to that point. And if you are just interested in supporting the channel, there is a lower tier Patreon at about $3 a month that you can sign up for as well. So look for the Patreon link down below in the description to sign up for either of those. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MVWAP indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 231 indicators, and out of those 231 indicators, 87 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that, but as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 87 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. All right. So today's indicator is the MVWAP indicator. We actually tested a version of this on a previous video. That one was, I believe, the MVWAP trend indicator, and it kind of created a channel that price action could trade within or break up above or below. And I said in that video that I would probably find the traditional MVWAP indicator. Well, on TradingView, this is the only one that I could find right here. Let me see, get it in focus a little bit better there. This one right here. And it's unfortunate because there was an error in the coding, which instead of placing the indicator as an overlay on the upper chart, it actually plotted it on its own separate little window down below. Now, as a workaround and possibly something a little bit better, what I have done is I have added just a simple moving average to it, and I have set the input on the simple moving average to 2, so it's really super fast and that is basically following price action rather rather significantly. So it's hugging price action. If we had this simple moving average up here on screen, it would be hugging these bars really super close. And so it's very similar to having price action. It's very similar to having the MVWAP kind of up with price action, but it's plotted on just a simple moving average based off of the close and set very super fast. And so it's catching most of these moves and giving it just a little bit of breathing room instead of being tucked in with price action. And so the basic trading setup is pretty easy. When we get a break above the MVWAP, the purple line, so when the blue line breaks above the purple line, that is a signal to go long. When it breaks down below, that is a signal to go short. And that is how we will be testing it today. So let's go ahead and get on with it and see what we can get out of it. Moving forward here. All right, we get our first break to the upside right here on that candle there. Just double check. So MVWAP 2542. Yep. The moving average is 2358, I believe it was. And so we get our first break right there, and that was a pretty successful break, definitely getting us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue playing it out here. Don't know why, but it's being a little glitchy today. Let's see. So we get a break to the downside right there. And again, that one worked out rather well for us. Continue to play it out here. And a break to the upside right there. And once again, a good trade. So we are off to a really good start so far. Let's keep playing it out and see if it can maintain a decent win rate here. So we get a break to the downside right here, and unfortunately that one will be the first losing trade. And then a break to the upside right there, and once again another losing trade. So hopefully I didn't jinx us here, but we'll keep moving on and see what we can get. We're a little past midway through the year now. We get a break to the downside right here on this one, and we may have just barely squeezed out enough pips. Yep, we did. Barely squeezed out a win on that one. Then we pick up a move to the upside there. Let's double check that. Yep, we got that one to take profit as well. Keep moving on here. There is a break to the downside. Right, let's see. So 30.17 looks like a break right there. And so I'm looking at the coordinates over here on the MVWAP and the moving average. So if I hover over top of this bar, you can see that the coordinate on the MVWAP is 1.30174. And you can see that the coordinate on the moving average is 1.30129, which means that the moving average is below the MVWAP. Sometimes it gets hard to just visually identify where the cross actually takes place. And so that will help you out, the coordinates over here to the side. And then we get a break to the downside there. That was a really decent move. And keep playing on here. One more time, we get a break to the upside there. And it took off rather nicely. And keep on here. Now I can see I wish the MVWAP would, we could speed it up. The MVWAP I do have on a 30 period, and so this is when we did all the other moving average tests, the moving average head to head and so on, and all the moving averages that we have tested since, most of them anyways. I think there's might have been one that we didn't modify the settings on, but the rest of them we have set to a 30 period, so that way we can test them kind of head to head, one next to another, and so on. And so I did modify the MVWAP to a 30 period and the simple moving average to a 2. All right, let's continue on here. Did we get a break right here? We did, unfortunately. Barely broke above and then immediately down below, which ends up getting us stopped out on that side. Then we get a break right there, and that one once again works out in our favor. And we will continue on here, and we are at the end of the year right there. All right, let's crunch it in a little bit here. Move our MVWAP down, and that's what we are looking at for the MVWAP. Let's add these up and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we have 13 trading signals altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 winning trades. And so that definitely meets the 60% criteria. It did rather well. Seemed like it was catching the moves at a really decent point. And all in all, pretty decent. Not too bad at all. So it's definitely going to go on the yes list. And we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.